नमस्कार, मैं हूं वंदना। आप देख रहे हैं स्वदेशी समाचार। आइए रुक करते हैं आज की प्रमुख खबर की ओर। 24 सितंबर 2025 वीवर्क इंडिया मैनेजमेंट लिमिटेड ने अपने तीसरे सस्टेनेबिलिटी समिट में वीवर्क्स इंडिया फॉर इम्पैक्ट की शुरुआत की है। इस पहल का उद्देश्य रियल एस्टेट विकास को जलवायु कार्रवाई और सामुदायिक सशक्तिकरण से जोड़ना है। लॉन्च कार्यक्रम में अभिनेत्री और यूएनडीपी एडवोकेट भूमि सतीश पेंडेनिकर शामिल हुई। यह आंदोलन पारिस्थितिक बहाली, वन्यजीव संरक्षण, शिक्षा और महिला आर्थिक सशक्तिकरण पर केंद्रित है। अब तक 290 पौधे लगाए गए, 40 फ्लोटिंग वेटलैंड स्थापित किए गए, 58,961 किलोग्राम से अधिक कचरा एकत्र किया गया और 20 गांव में 97% कचरा अलगाव हासिल किया गया। इसके अलावा लिविंग विद लेपर्ड्स पहल से मानवतेय व सह अस्तित्व को बढ़ावा मिल रहा है।
Two stories. Me and Bhumi were at an event that can't be named a few weeks ago.
We can't.
Yeah, it was a very Illuminati type of event that we were at. And as soon as I actually entered the event, the first thing that actually struck me was this bottle, which is, Back Bay. And we never met really, or never spoke at the actual event. I randomly reached out to Bhumi through Instagram, and then finally was able to get her number, and just out of the blue asked very nicely if she would be happy to be part of the sustainability summit, which we were doing, just a few weeks later. And it took Bhumi not more than literally one call. Solving the climate problem that gathered here today. This year, we're not just talking about sustainability, we're diving deep into a theme that is both an urgent call to action and a huge opportunity, which is decarbonizing commercial real estate. Our industry, which is in real estate, has a significant footprint. Real estate today contributes 1/3 of the global emissions and about 34% of all global energy use. These are huge figures, but they also highlight a massive opportunity to drive meaningful, systematic change. And at WeWork India, we recognize our responsibility and pivotal role in being able to shape. It's not just a document that we put together, it's our unwavering commitment to people and the planet. It's about fundamentally rethinking how workspaces are designed, how efficiently the workspaces and sustainably are experienced. It's about creating spaces that don't just serve us today, but leave behind a healthier and a more resilient world for tomorrow.
To come on board. For me, any platform that I can extend my voice to that furthers the cause, I'm always going to be there. So thank you so much. And I again really want to congratulate you and your team. Honestly, kudos to you all. We don't have enough people that have the power to change actually taking an initiative. So really, really, really work hard.
Thank you so much. And we have 3 heavy hitters on the panel. And before I get into it again, I just want to thank you all for being here and being part of the summit and doing this as an initiative and a cause of pushing things forward. So the topic for today is something that's close to our hearts, which is basically what do we need to do to decarbonize commercial real estate.
One of the first things we thought about when we started Max Estates was that there has to be a purpose beyond just wealth creation as to why we're in the business. And if you look at it, the built environment today has the ability and the impact to about 40% of the carbon footprint is through the built environment. And the built environment therefore has a big role to play in doing that. For us at Max Estates, when we started thinking about this, we said, think about it like this. Everybody who's designing, mostly, and I say this, when I say everybody, I mean North India. So you have to take.
ऐसी ही अन्य खबरों को देखने के लिए देखते रहिए स्वदेशी समाचार।